Okay, so this video is going to be super duper short, like a minute and 1 second or so. Something I wanted to talk about real quick, and that is tire pressure. How much pressure do you put in your tires? You'll notice on every single tire, there is a max pressure rating. This particular tire right here says 50 PSI. Let's see what this one says over here. We're looking at, oh, I don't know, I can't even find it. It's around here somewhere. Oh, there we go, another one, 50 PSI. Whoops, too much there. Okay, there's a couple more over here that are sunbathing. Let's check these ones out. This one, let's see, that one up, 51 PSI. And this truck tire right here, let's take a look at that one. Looks like we got 80 PSI. Okay, so how much do we put in? Do we put in 80? Do we put in 51? Do we put in 50 pounds? Who knows, right? Fortunately, there's a way to figure that out. Every single car has a little placard inside of the door. And on that placard, it says what the tire pressure should be. Tire pressure front, tire pressure rear, 35 and 35. So for this particular car, it's 35 PSI, not 50. We don't go off of what the tire says. We go off of what the placard on the door says right here. A lot of folks will just read the PSI on the tire and they always overinflate. Now, when you do that, you completely change the handling properties of your vehicle. So we always want to go off of what the door says, not what the tire says. Check this one over here real quick. And again, 35 PSI for the front, 35 PSI for the rear. The reason that we go off of the sticker on the door or on the door sill and not off what the tire says is because tires are made for a different or a wide array of different vehicles, and it does not specify one particular tire goes to one particular car. They want to build a one size fits all. So the tires are equipped with a max pressure, even though the vehicle has a different and usually slightly lower pressure. Now, what you can do is put a tire on a car that has a higher rating of pressure, but you cannot put a tire on a car that has a lower rating of pressure because you would have to underinflate that specific tire, which would cause it to run hot and you may turn into a Ford Exploder. And that will conclude my fun fact of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you did, tap that like button. Let me know about it in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys next time.